So guys, as you can see, but from the previous video that unexpectedly stopped, we had pushed our project to Heroku, but then there were some errors that had to be rectified. So one thing that has been rectified is in your proc file, the statement has to be written like this: web without a space, full colon, then node space index.js, depending on which file that spins your application. So that is one thing that has been rectified here from your block file as well. This is, I'll take it as my fault. Sorry about that. Now that for me that I configured nodemon global in my application, so I don't need to when I'm working local, I don't supply a script to start the application. But then this is also a challenge. So one of the errors that I was getting, if you can look at my console, which Heroku was logging, there is one error that talks about, if you can look at here clearly, you can see that it is saying npm error missing script start, because I configured nodemon global on my system. So I just say nodemon and it starts. But then before you deploy your application, or when you're working, you need to specify this script which says start. It has to specifically start because it looks for start. That's how it is configured. So it is start, then node index.js. When you configure this well with the block file, then you again commit, like git add dot, and then you add the file with the changes, and then you do a git commit, and then you commit those changes, and then you lastly do a git push Heroku master, because we already configured the Heroku and it knows the application it is pushing to. So we shall just do a git push Heroku master, and then you press enter. It will just push this to Heroku. So that is already done. And then from the application here, you can be able to see that from the base route or the default route, we are able to see our data being returned. So I think one way we can test this, it is something I'm going to just try to see whether I can access it from my local end here, and then I do a new request. So let us try and see if it is successful from here. Then it will be well and good. But then here it means that we've done our back end and it is already there hosted, so you can create your front end using any other framework to access it. So I'm going to use that to get data from Heroku, and I see whether it will be able to return me that data. So I'm trying to access that data from Heroku and see that it sends me data. So as you can see, it is sending me data, and we can try to see to confirm this. Let us do a simple post request to confirm that our data has been sent. Okay, application/JSON, and then here in the body we supply some data and say okay, so shall give it a title, and we say deploy to Heroku. So then we shall give it a description which will be successfully managed. Okay, and we try to send this data and see. Oh, it is saying invalid JSON, so there has to be something with the JSON that we are sending somewhere here. Okay, it is content-type/application/JSON. Okay, that looks fine. Title, okay, the error is here, so it has to be strictly double quotes. So then we try to send that data. Okay, that data, as you can see, it has been successfully, okay. Oh, it is a get. Sorry, let us just post. Yeah, my brain that. Okay, so we've successfully posted data, to Heroku, deploy to Heroku with that ID, and then when I come here and I refresh, notice that we are working with Heroku now. So if I try to refresh, I expect to see that data that has been uploaded there. So as you can see, we have deployed to Heroku. So I think if we want to further test, we can look at the existing one, and we see whether we can be able to only return this data when we are working with our simple request. So after this, we shall paste the ID, and then from there we shall do a get request, and this should work. Okay, let us see. Okay, the data has been returned, and that is the second one. Niceness. When we come back here and see, it is the second one, which is niceness. So out of curiosity, I can just add one more post, and then uh, maybe I can just say prove a point, because we've successfully done this and we have our working. Okay, I say prove a point. Okay, and then here I will say bootcamp, bootcamp 5, we are the best. Okay, I'll just do a post, and then I'll add this data. So it comes like that. Okay, bootcamp 5, you are the best. So when we come back here and refresh our application, so we are able to see bootcamp 5, you are the best, has been added. So I believe you guys can take it on from here. Then you can continue to build your front end somewhere, maybe using Vue or Android, and then you can try to query this this API that has been built, and then with a slash, because I lock that with a slash, and then the other one be hello slash with the ID, and also post to it. So I hope this helps. I believe maybe one more thing we can do before we wind up. We can come back to our atlas and try to load and see whether we have even the data in the database. So as you can see, we have all that data. So this is bootcamp 5, you are the best, successfully managed to deploy to Heroku. So everything is working well. So I hope this was of help to you. And yeah, okay, let me see what you can do with it and with your projects. Good luck.